Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the what is the hematology. It is the branch of the biology concerned with the study of blood and the blood forming organs and blood disease. What is blood? It is a specialized bodily fluid in animals that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and the transport metabolic waste products away from those same cells. Next is the functions of blood: transportation, regulation, protection. Respiration, nutrient carrier from GIT, transportation of hormones from the endocrine glands, transport metabolic waste. Next is the regulation, regulates pH, adjusts and maintains body temperature, maintain water content of cell. Next is the protection. WBC protect against the disease by phagocytosis, reservoir for substance like water, electrolyte, etc. Perform hemostasis. Next is the functions of blood. Gas transportations help blood carry oxygen from the lung to tissues and carbon dioxide in reverse direction. Transport of the nutritional substance for all cells, glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, ketone, bodies, microelement, etc. Blood carries final product of metabolism, urea, uric acid, bilirubin, creatinine, etc. from tissue to kidney, where from they excreted with urine. Third point is regulation of the different processes. Blood creates and carries local hormones, hormonoids to the target organ. Function of the blood. Thermoregulations, heat change between tissues and blood. Fifth is osmotic function, maintenance of osmotic pressure in blood vessels. Protective functions, blood has the antibodies and leukocytes which perform the phagocytosis. Seventh is the detoxification, blood enzymes can neutralize, split different toxic substances. Next is the properties of blood. First is the color. Blood is the red in color. Arterial blood is the scarlet red because it contains more oxygen, and the venous blood is the purple red because of more carbon dioxide. Volume, average volume of blood in a normal adult is the 5 liter, and in newborn baby the blood is the 450 ml, and it increases during the growth and reaches the 5 liter at the time of the puberty. In female, it is slightly less than it is about 4.5 liter. It is about 8% of the body weight in a normal young healthy adult weighing about the 70 kg. Third is the reaction and the pH. Blood is slightly alkaline and its pH in normal condition is 7.4. Next is the specific gravity. Specific gravity of the total blood is 1.052 to 1.061. Specific gravity blood cells 1.092 to 1.01101. Specific gravity plasma 1.022 to 1.026. Viscosity. Blood is a 5 times more viscous than water. It is mainly due to the red blood cells and plasma proteins. In today's class, I discuss about the function of blood and what is blood in hematology. Thank you for watching.